You want a step-by-step guide to starting your own private practice? Well, here you are. You're in the right spot. First, you're going to want to look at your business structure. This is probably a part that a lot of clinicians don't really care too much for. And for that reason, you can find a good lawyer or a good accountant to help you through this, or look for a course that also outlines it for you and explains in a very easy and concise step-by-step manner. So all of the business aspects, including the business structure, how it's going to be taxed, what the legal name is, what the fictitious name is, all the important dates of the business, the annual meetings, and the articles of organization or incorporation. Also, early on in starting your private practice, you're going to want to strategize your marketing approach. That means SEO for the internet, Google My Business, your professional network, and then your outreach to the community to let them know that you're available to see new patients if they have a need to send them to your specialty. Outlining your tech vendors, and this is going to take a while because you're going to need to do demos, you're going to have to compare a lot of different features of email systems, plus on top of that, secure email systems that integrate with that email system, your phone system, your EHR system, your fax, a website, and just saying website doesn't do it justice. There's so many layers of complexity to that, and it could really be very difficult to jump into the weeds there and try to sift through all the information out there, all different businesses and what they offer and what they mean and what all their terminology means, and then their pricing structure and their security and how easy they are to use. So you're going to constantly have to evaluate all of these different vendors, and that includes your form system too. How you're going to get information securely from the patient, transmitted to you securely, and then have you store it. And if you'd like, you can use a system called Jotform. I find it really helpful and easy to use. Then when you find yourself doing too much administrative work and you'd like to see more patients, you can hire a virtual assistant who can help you with scheduling, billing, and record keeping, and any other administrative tasks like sorting and filing faxes and other mail. Also, you want to determine what your niche is going to be, what kind of specialty you want to focus on, so that you can adequately and appropriately showcase your strengths to the general public. Before you do that, you probably want to research what the demand is for those services in your local market and figure out who your potential quote-unquote competitors are and how they're approaching this. Say you were a patient who was looking for services in that specialty, what would they do? How would they search for somebody, and what kind of clinics would they first come across? And how are you going to make your practice look even more attractive than those other practices, and why they want to come to you? Obviously, this was a very quick outline, but hopefully helpful for people. And if you'd like more information on my course, where I outline all of this information in more detail, you can click the link below to check out my course. My name is Bruce Bassi. I'm an addiction psychiatrist in outpatient private practice, and I want to try to help other people start their own practices so that we're all strengthened as a community. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. If you didn't enjoy the video, comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see in future videos, or maybe let me know what kind of concerns you have about starting your own private practice.